In this video, we're going to be talking about the LoveBoxxx BDSM set. This set is perfect as a gift, or perhaps those who want to try BDSM but are not quite sure where to start. It's perfect for beginners and experienced users as well. This set comes in a luxurious and discreet box with a beautiful design as well. The set consists of the following products. A bondage rope, which is 5 meters in length and perfect to tie up your partner with. You can experience many different ways, and it's made of 100% nylon, so it doesn't feel scratchy on your skin and it's very soft to the touch. We also have a luxurious toy bag, which helps to keep your toys discreet and perfect for on the go as well. Easy to tie up using the drawstring as shown. Next up, we have an eye mask, perfect for soft bondage. It comes with an elastic backing, which ensures the perfect fit, and it's completely blackout, so you can't see what your partner's going to be doing to you. Here we have a leather flogger. It has a loop handle here, so you can always keep your hand in, and has a sturdy handle as well. You can use the flogger in many different ways. It creates a tingling effect on the skin, or you can use it to whip your partner as well. It's perfect to introduce you to the world of BDSM. Here we have a pair of leather handcuffs, also a fantastic addition. They are adjustable, and you can also use them both singularly, or you can even attach them together, like so. They are fully adjustable using the buckles and straps just here to ensure the perfect fit and to make sure they're completely comfortable for you during use. The material itself on the inside is very soft and smooth, so it'll feel very fantastic to the touch. These kinky handcuffs are a must-have in the bedroom, perfect to introduce you to the world of BDSM. You can simply tie your partner up or simply untie them like so and fulfill your own kinky desires. And last but not least, we have a Wonder Wand. It's really simple and easy to use, and also comes with a charging USB cable to charge using the charging point below. The charging point is at the very bottom of the toy. Push through the silicone like so until it's completely in, and it will charge for you. To activate the Wonder Wand, use the bottom button like so, and it's already on. Using the top 2 buttons, you can determine how high you want the speed to be and what pattern you want as well. It's perfect for external stimulation, for example, the clitoral or the nipples, or in fact anywhere on the body. The head itself is flexible to effortlessly find those sensitive spots. To turn off, press on the bottom button again, and it's now off. The material is made of a soft silicone material, so it feels very comfortable on the skin. Ready to take on the next challenge? Why not visit our link below and you can find out more information about the LoveBoxxx BDSM box. Enjoy your first BDSM experience.